Hydrogen bond can be found in which of the compounds can you find hydrogen bond? JAMB 2015 number 25. So let me make proper representations of these compounds. First, hydrogen sulfide is H2S. Hydrogen bromide is HBr. Okay, let me just represent it well. Okay. This is hydrogen sulfide. This is hydrogen bromide. This is hydrogen fluoride, and this is hydrogen chloride. So, what is hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond is a bond formed between a weak intermolecular or intramolecular bond formed between hydrogen and a highly electronegative element. In fact, there are three most electronegative elements in the whole world represented in the periodic table that I'm going to show you. If a compound does not have any of those three elements, that compound cannot exhibit hydrogen bonding. So these are the elements. Remember, electronegativity increases as you go across the period from left to right, and it decreases as you go down. So, but it stops here. When it's going this way, it stops here because these ones have zero oxidation number. Meanwhile, fluorine is the most electronegative, followed by oxygen and followed by nitrogen. These three elements, any compound that contains them, any molecule that contains them is likely to exhibit hydrogen bonding because hydrogen has an affinity with nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine in the molecular world. So from this knowledge, you will see that the answer should be C because this is hydrogen fluoride. In the molecular world, if we have, let's say, 3 hydrogen fluoride molecules in a container, what happens is that this fluorine, being highly electronegative, we attract the bonded pair closer to itself and become partially negative, while oxygen will become partially positive. We have another one, HF, partially negative, partially positive. So what happens is because of this polarization, the partially negative end of this molecule will have a kind of affinity with hydrogen that is partially positive from another molecule. And this is called hydrogen bond. If we have another one, HF, partially negative, partially positive, you see that there will be another hydrogen bond here. And there will be another hydrogen bond here. This hydrogen bond joins all the molecules. That is why water, when you are trying to pour water, you notice that all the water molecules are packed together. They can't easily be separated. And hydrogen bond is responsible for high boiling point because heat needs to break up these bonds for the molecules to start flying out as a vapor. So you can see that the answer is C. I hope that any other place you see hydrogen bond question, you can answer it with ease.